We are going to continue our Elementor lessons with step 2. So we come back to this page that we were doing, and we are going to again click Edit with Elementor. And this time we're going to add a bit more, something a little more interesting. And one of the modules we already have, as we recall, a text module. You can see up here, Edit Text Editor, and an image module. Let's do something a little more interesting. One of them is called a call to action. And the way you find modules or widgets is you start typing them in the search box. You can go CALL. There it is. I'm going to drag it in here and drop it. Now this one's kind of a good one because as you can see, it's got a few different elements combined. It's got an image, it's got a heading, it's got a description, and it's got a button. So let's put an image in here. Here's an image. Okay, and here then we can then change the heading and see you have a choice of skin classic, cover, meaning all of the text overlays the image. And now we go to content. We say, here's a title. This is the heading. Let's change it there. This is our heading. Here's the description right here. Add to the description. And then we have the button says click here, or we could say submit. And then again, we can go to the style and say, let's take a look at the content, the typography of the title. We can change to say, again, make the lettering larger. Whoops, like that. We can change the description typography so that that's also perhaps a different size. And we can update that. And then we can pick, say, a different title color. Let's pick this light blue. And the description color, maybe we pick this green. And you can also style the button by saying, let's say the background color is this light gray, and the text color might be white. And we update that. So that's how we can do that. We can also go to advanced, and we have things like border. Let's do a solid border that is 2 pixels in thickness, and the color is this blue. And we can update that. And again, when we say preview, we can take a look at the results. And there it is. This is called a call to action module. It's got this little effect on it where when you hover over it, the image expands. It's another tool in your kit. Now, let's try one more. Let's try a icon box. Icon box is a little different. Let's drag and drop it over here. And this one comes with an image, a little icon, a symbol, which can be changed. So look at all the choices you have. For example, if it's a store, you change it to a store. There's the heading. There's the description. And once again, we can style it so that the icon, for example, has different spacing. It can be a different size. The content can be, let's say, the color of the title might want to be a darker black. The description color might be that same green. We might want to change the typography to a different font. Let's say Tahoma. Maybe we'd like to make it all uppercase and then update that. You can see on this tab it automatically updates, and that's what it looks like. So that's another little handy module. Don't forget that you can always do a background color to this module or for any of the modules. It's a classic. Let's pick out a color. Let's say we pick a light color like that. And then one thing you can do is you can always reduce the transparency, so you can make it fade a little bit lighter and then update that. Now you notice you might want to increase the padding. And again, here we have on the Advanced tab padding. Let's change this to M instead of pixels and add 1M. And it gives a little spacing. And if you take it off, if you turn off the linked values, you can say, well, let's make the bottom a little more, and let's make the top a little bit more. And there you have it. So those are some. There's plenty of other modules to be used in Elementor, which are of great help.